Hi everyone, I'm Gilmarie Angeli Magallanes and I'm here to gain your knowledge about the biological species concept. The population of individuals that can potentially breed with each other in nature, which produces fertile offspring or create another generation, is called the biological species. The result of this interbreeding is the movement of genes, which is called gene flow throughout the species. It is also known that the members of the same species share a common group of genes or what we call a gene pool. They share a common evolutionary history too. Overall, biological species are members of the same population that interbreed. Furthermore, the biological species concept gives the scientist a snapshot of the evolution of new species in many groups of plants and animals. There are two cases that are likely to happen if individuals in the two populations meet. First is they usually breed together if they meet in the wild, and the second one is their breeding produces offspring, which enables them to produce their own offspring too.
Hi, I'm Thurston Jerka Joan Estake. Are you having a great day? Get ready because it'll get better as we tackle about the hierarchical system of classification. First off, we'll start with the very main, which is biodiversity, which is the thing that we are to classify today. The variety of living things from various environments, such as desert, marine, and terrestrial ecosystems, as well as the ecological complex they are part of, is known as biodiversity. It explains the diversity of abundance of life on Earth. It is our planet's most intricate and significant characteristic. Life could not persist without biodiversity.
Now, first, let's talk about species diversity. It refers to the variety of different types of species found in a particular area. It includes all the species ranging from plants to different microorganisms. No two individuals of the same species are exactly similar. For example, humans show a lot of diversity among themselves. Now, let's talk about genetic diversity. It refers to the variations among the genetic resources of the organisms. Every individual of a particular species differs from each other in their genetic constitution. That is why every human looks different from each other. Similarly, there are different varieties in the same species of rice, wheat, maize, barley, and etc. And finally, ecological diversity. An ecosystem is a collection of living and non-living organisms and their interaction with each other. Ecological biodiversity refers to the variations in the plant and animal species living together and connected by food chains and food webs. It is the diversity observed among the different ecosystems in a region. Diversity in different ecosystems like deserts, rainforests, mangroves, etc. include ecological diversity.
Today we're talking about how scientists organize living things. It's called taxonomy, or the taxonomic classification system, also known as the Linnean system, named after its founder Carl Linnaeus, who came up with this idea. Picture a tree with lots of branches at the top are big groups called domains, like bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. Then there are smaller groups inside each domain called kingdoms. After that, there's phylum, class, order, family, and genus and species. Each step gets more specific, like zooming in on a photo. For example, humans are in the Eukarya domain, Animalia kingdom, and so on. This system helps scientists understand how living things are related and how diverse life on Earth is. It's like solving a big problem. It's going to be a six kingdom classification system. In addition to the four eukaryotic kingdoms, the Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia, the sixth kingdom system and classification includes two more kingdoms, Kingdom Eubacteria and Kingdom Archaea. These two kingdoms replaced Kingdom Monera. After King Monera divided, that's where the Kingdom Eubacteria and Kingdom Archaea formed. From the five kingdom system, Kingdom Eubacteria comprises true bacteria and cyanobacteria, while Kingdom Archaea consists of bacteria-like organisms that thrive in extreme environments like hot springs, volcanic vents, and sewage treatment plants.
Gotta know the rest of this. OMG, you're finally here! What? So we're gonna be talking about Urbitheria. What the fuck is this? So their structural organization is small, simple, and a single prokaryotic cell, and their cell walls are with peptidoglycan. Some forms chains or mats. What the what? Their method of nutrition is absorbing food, synthetic and chemosynthetic symbiotes. Wow. Their examples are bacteria, cyanobacteria, and cytocates. What? And the known species are above 10,000. Wow. And next, we're going to be talking about archaea. What are they? They're a small, simple single prokaryotic cell, a cell wall without polydoclicon. Wow. And their method of nutrition is chemotrophic, or it's basically relying on the chemicals around it to produce their own food. Wow. And there's examples are archaeans, and their known species is around 500 plus. I don't care. Okay, but I bet you know about this one, the Protesta. What are they? The kingdom of Protista is a large single eukaryotic cell, or it's a unique cellular or and multicellular, a cell wall with cellulose in some forms of chains or colonies. Wow. Their method of nutrition is absorb, ingest, and or photosynthesize food. Wow. And like their examples are like photozoans, various types of algae, green, golden, brown algae. Yeah. What about their known species? Guess. 1,000? No! 250,000 of them! Last, by the way. Oh my god. And the next is fungi! Oh, fungi! Fungi is a multicellular filamentous form with specialized eukaryotic cells, lack photosynthetic pigments, cell walls with chitin. Wow. What's their method of nutrition? They absorb food. How? I have no idea. Examples? Well, fungi, molds, mushrooms, yeast, mildews, and smuts. What's smuts? What bad? Oh. What about the unknown species? 100,000. Whoa. What's next? The next one is Plante! Marijuana? No. Plante! Plante is a multicellular form with specialized eukaryotic cells with chlorophyll and rigid cell walls with cellulose and like an inability to locomote. What's a locomote? I have no idea if I said that right. Oh, method of nutrition? They photosynthesize food. Whoa. Examples. Moses, birds, woody, and non-woody flowering plants. Wow. Known species? Around 350,000. I mean, it is Plante. Yeah. And next, and by not least, it's, oh my god, Kingdom of Animalia! Whoa. Oh. They're a multicellular form with specialized eukaryotic cells, cells without cell walls or chlorophyll, and an ability to locomote. How do they, method of nutrition? Method of nutrition, actually. They ingest food. Whoa! And the examples: sponges, worms, insects, fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and of course mammals. So it's like a million of them, precisely. Their known species is above 1 million. Woo! Is that all? Yes. The battery's right over there. Oh, thank you.